Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm basically going to show you my typical morning routine. So if you guys have watched a few of these videos before on my channel, I always start off by doing my bed. This for me is like so important. I can't actually continue the day without my bed being done. It's just something that I've done since I was young, so it's like installed in my brain. But yeah, so I do my bed and I go straight to shower. So now it's time for my shower routine. So I always start off by exfoliating my skin. To me, this is like the key to smooth skin, you guys. Exfoliation is key. I'm telling you, anyone that asks me, how do I get smooth skin? How does your body just glow? It all starts with exfoliating. And I feel like with your body, you can never over exfoliate. I literally exfoliate twice and I'm going to show you guys just how I do this. So I go in with some exfoliating gloves. I get these literally for £1, you guys, and I always make sure that I don't always do this, I'm not gonna lie to you, but like maybe 3 times a week I try to exfoliate my feet as well. It's so important so that dead skin doesn't build up and it doesn't cause like cracked heels. So yes, I use this like exfoliating tool. Okay, so then I go in with this Dove bar, and this to me has been such a game changer in my routine, you guys. This is part of my double cleansing for my body. You all know how it is good to double cleanse your face, but I didn't realize that double cleansing your body was also a game changer. It's just really nice for your skin, and it just makes your skin feel really clean. And this is the exfoliating that I was talking about, you guys. I do it twice. So I go in my gloves and then I go in with the scrub, and this is the Dove scrub. This one is one that I've used for ages and ages. It's got these little stones in them, very soft stones. They're fine, so it's not gonna cause you cuts or anything, but it does the job, you guys. For those that ask me, how do you not get ingrown hairs? This is literally the reason. Okay, so now we're gonna jump into my skincare routine, and I'm gonna talk you guys through it because I filmed it in real time. However, the background noise is horrible, you guys, so all the products will be linked in the bio. So if you can't really hear what I'm saying, just look in my description. So I'm going in with the Cerave blemish control cleanser, basically just showing you guys how I wash my face. Like, this would be in the bathroom. I do this twice. I go in with this, scrub, wash my face, go in with this again, scrub, then wash my face. That's not double cleansing, by the way. That's just like making sure all the dirt is like off my skin. I'm gonna go rinse my face and do the whole shazam, and I'll be back with the rest of my skincare. Okay, you guys, so I've literally just rinsed my face and I'm gonna let my skin dry naturally. Part 2 is toner. So I use this PoreZero toner from the Korean skincare brand. This really just worked for me and I've just stuck with it since. I just really love it. And then I go in with salicylic acid serum. Salicylic acid is your girl when it comes to like just like acne flare-ups. So instead of niacinamide, we're gonna use salicylic acid. Now for moisturizer, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Magic water cream. I think the reason why my skin actually likes this magic cream is because it's not fragranced, so it's good for sensitive skin, and it's lightweight, so it's good for oily combination skin. Now I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen, because if you want to keep your complexion looking nice, looking even, you need sunscreen, you guys. I can't stress that enough. I am an advocate for sunscreen, so I'm gonna be protecting my skin. So skincare is done. is the Vaseline body oil. This is really good. Okay guys, so this is about as good as it's gonna get today. I decided to go for no makeup because I cannot be bothered. Okay, so after I make some breakfast, I basically give the kitchen a quick clean. So this can just range from literally cleaning the counters to doing the dishes to sometimes doing some laundry. And I believe on this day I did some recycling. We just had some bits that we needed to just recycle. Super quick, super simple. It doesn't take me time at all. But yeah, so you guys can watch me do that. Okay, so now that the kitchen is clean, on this day I was running some errands, so I didn't even finish the vlog, you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.